sales funnel can be defined as a process or a journey a lead or a customer goes through from getting to know you through your traffic source to buying from you. That is the simple definition of a sales funnel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Passive Entrepreneur with Zainab. Today, I'm going to be talking about the sales funnel and how powerful it is for every affiliate marketer. If you're beginning with affiliate marketing, the first thing you need to understand is the sales funnels. So, without further ado, I'm going to switch my camera around and we can take a look at it and how to build it the right way. This is a diagram of a sales funnel that most affiliate marketers use. The sales funnel starts with traffic. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube. You can use any of this traffic or you can use all of them. For me, I use Instagram, TikTok, and this YouTube channel. Before we move ahead, I want you to understand that there are two types of traffic. We have free traffic, which is the same thing as organic traffic, and we have paid traffic. So with paid traffic, this is you setting up a campaign in Google or in Facebook or on Quora and saying the platform should find you people that are going to buy the products that you're selling or the products that you're promoting. Organic traffic is free traffic. When you post content on your pages, like your Instagram page or your TikTok page, and people go to your link in bio and they opt into your affiliate marketing page and they buy from you. So that is free traffic. For me, I advise most affiliate marketers to start with free traffic and then they can scale their business with paid traffic, because paid traffic is a lot more complex and it's not something we can talk about in this video. This is supposed to be a short and sweet video just talking about the sales funnel. So you create content on any of this platform or all of this platform. I also suggest to people that they should choose 2 or a maximum of 3 platforms to work with, or else they're just going to be everywhere and you won't be able to really succeed. So when you choose 2 or 3 of this platforms to drive traffic from, it's easier for you to be able to maintain them. So from traffic, it goes to an opt-in page. The job of the opt-in page is just for you to collect emails and names of your potential customers. From the opt-in page, then they move to the bridge page. This is the second page on the sales funnel. Here you have a video or some text. Most people have a video or you can also have some text. It's okay. Talking about yourself or talking about the product that you're about to promote to your customers. When you build this page, all these pages, try as much as possible to be congruent with whatever that people are going to find on the affiliate marketing page. Like when it comes to text sizes, text styles, and even colors, try as much as possible when you build this page, let it be congruent with the next page they will be going to. And here we have the product page. This is where the owner of the product or the manufacturer of the product you're trying to promote talks about the product. Most of them have pre-recorded videos in their affiliate page. Some affiliate companies have upsells, which is the next page. Most of them don't, but some do have upsells, which is the next page we're going to. An upsell is like selling another product that is related to this first one that was advertised here. If you also make a sale here, you're also going to get a commission. And after that, you go to a thank you page. And after the thank you page, this is where the miracle happens. Now you have your email autoresponders. There are softwares that you can use to set up all these emails to go out at a specific time that you decide. This is where this sales funnel becomes really powerful. With the emails, you can always direct them back here to the sales page. There's also research that shows that people will not make that decision until the 7th to the 12th email. But because now you've collected their emails and their names here, You can always send them email on day 1, day 2, day 3, up to day 7 or day 12, depending on how you want your email campaign, how long you want your email campaigns to last. You should also give value, not just sell all the time. You give a little bit of value and then you direct them back to your sales page. Now they are your subscribers, they're your own traffic. And some of them that have already bought from you will buy again because now they know you, now they trust you. And this is why it is important to always set up your email sequence and always have an opt-in page. Down the line, if you decide to sell them more related products, don't, after the 7th email or the 12th email, don't abandon them. Always send them emails to give more value, send them free videos, free ebooks and stuff like that, or just give them value. Then after that, if you find more affiliate product that is related to the product you first sold to them, you can always advertise it to them. Now they are warm and they're going to buy from you. If you decide at the end of the day, maybe at the end of 6 months, you decide to create a subscription where you give them value every month or you send stuff to them every month and they pay you like $30 a month, $20 a month as members, then you can create that and also send them an email to about that. And some of them are really going to subscribe. You can also find another affiliate product that is also related to the one you sold the first time. You can keep this email going for as long as you want while you continue selling different kind of products to them. So this is how powerful the sales funnel is and why it is important as a beginner to understand the sales funnels and to create it the right way. Right here is where there is more money for you to make, because now you can always promote to them similar products that they've already bought from you and they will be eager to buy it because you sold them a product that works. They'll always buy whatever you recommend to them. So that is the importance of having this email sequence and setting up your email autoresponder. For my email, for this sales funnels, I use Builderall. I'm going to leave a link down below. Builderall is all in one platform. You have everything you need to run your business on Builderall. This sales funnel is what is making most affiliate marketers 6-7 figures every year. The mistake I see a lot of beginners make is they drive their traffic from all these platforms straight to the product page or their affiliate link. With this, only less than 10% of people are going to buy. I'm going to show you what my sales funnel look like. This is my bridge page. So whenever anybody clicks on my link, they start from here. And if you click on start now, it's going to ask for your name and email. And when you click on get instant access, it's going to bring you to my bridge page where I talk about a little bit about myself, testimonies on this page. And then when you click on start now, it's going to take you to what I'm promoting. And as you can see, during your journey, you can see that the colors are congruent, the text are congruent with my final affiliate product page. So this is how you set up your sales funnel for it to generate you 6-7 figures every year. And that brings us to the end of the sales funnel. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified each time I drop a new video.